My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Ford Fiesta SD2. This vehicle has done just under 45,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. This Fiesta comes with a 1.5 litre turbo engine, as well as an EcoBoost. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. And on the touchscreen we can get access to navigation, Apple CarPlay, valet mode, voice control, emergency assistance and Bluetooth. We have climate control on the left, and we can also control the heated seats via the screen. This Fiesta comes with 3 different driving modes. So we have racetrack, normal and sport. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.